Hey guys, another video here, and I'm doing a jigsaw part 2. If you didn't see part 1, I'll link it down below in the description. And today I am joined by Chloe. Say hi.
Hi.
Right, so we haven't done anything since we left off. Chloe's sorting out that while I do the side edges. Because it's rock hard. I like all the edges, honestly. Hard. Sandstorm, dude. Storm. If this video goes off, it's not my fault. Because my friend is trying to Skype me. Just put it on there. On the if side edges.
Just turn it all over first. Then I'll give you that. You can see about 2. Get rid of those 2 and you can have them.
If you can hear that music, it's not mine.
My tablet. Look at the hat that I found.
Oh, get in there. Let's go, boys, for the viewers. Hi, boys. Everything in hit. I'm not going to say anything, really.
5,000 likes. No, 2,000.
If we can hear, like, 5 likes,
Yeah,
I'll be astonished. Because I got no subscribers. But on my other video, right, I play Black Ops 2 or something like that. I got 4 views and 0 likes and 0 dislikes. So I don't know if you like it. Should I make a playlist? Yeah, I'll make a playlist.
And this one will be in a playlist, won't it? Because we've done part 1.
Yeah, we're doing part 1. I'm just uploading it now. Well, I haven't uploaded it. I've uploaded. I play Black Ops 2. Black Ops 2. Q&A coming soon. Here you guys. And yeah, that's about it that I've uploaded. Has it got my YouTube channel? Yesterday. Not like about a week ago. And guys, in the future I'll be playing Minecraft. Like I'll be doing like a survival and that. I'll set the camera up with friends. Like it could it can't be you. Well, it could be you if you're like watching it. If you're like on my friends list. No, I'm not gonna. I don't know. If you watch my video, you know this is not an Elgato. This is my tablet that I've recorded on. So if the function is bad, don't like offend me. Like, cause I don't have like a really good camera.
No.
Like I don't have anything.
Mine's good, but I don't.
She doesn't. She didn't have a YouTube channel.
Oops.
It's just me. It's just me.
So if this video goes on a bit longer, it will just.
It's called MLG Pro. And it's not called MLG.
Say something about that.
I just said that's called MLG for. 2 seconds, guys.
Sorry guys, my brother's just going to do something like that. Oh, the camera's somewhere. Focus, focus. Camera, focus. Who was it?
Dad. Wait, I'm back, guys. Oh yes, I connected a piece. The cheap boys.
GG. I have loads of side edges here.
Oh,
This is so legit.
Yeah, that's legit. Oh, Dad.
How we doing?
Good.
Good.
Wow, we're not finished it yet.
We're
Dad,
recording
we've
it.
only just started.
Right, I'm going out with take the dogs out, but Tita and we'll all go out, yeah?
What?
For a longer walk, yeah?
We're
We'll
gonna
do the potatoes after dinner.
what?
It's
Potato!
1
Put
o'clock
the
now.
potatoes in the ground after dinner.
Dad, did you know I'm recording this?
Recording what?
This. And just like so I can watch it.
Right. Benjamin.
Whoa, Chloe gave me.
Right. Okay.
Where's our Easter eggs?
I'll get them when I come back with the dogs.
Get in there, let's go, boys! Right, we're doing a vlog soon, by the way.
Yeah, by the way, we're doing a vlog, but in my channel, I might not be doing Black Ops 2.
Yeah, she won't do Black Ops 2.
I might do.
She'll do like
I might
a lot
do Black
of
Ops
vlogs.
2.
She'll do like vlogs.
I
and
might do
that.
Black Ops 2 World at War because that's like one of the favourite ones I've got.
It's not
And I
Black
might
Ops
do
2 World at
Halo.
War. It's World at War.
World at War then.
It's
And
not
I
Black
like
Ops-
doing Halo because like I like doing Halo.
Yeah, she likes doing Halo. Oh yeah, by the way, if I'm not here, it's probably Chloe doing it, so she'll do the intro. If she wants to, I'll give her permission. But you can't just take my tablet and just go and record anything. Because then I might have to delete it. Which I hope I don't.
Right, so we've got loads of side edges. So
And guys, look at this. Two piece. Boys, you can't see that because my camera is so legit. Look, 1,
there are something.
2
That goes-
piece.
Here.
Oh, sick, man.
I think because
It does.
guys, I brought this thing in here.
Oh, let's go,
I
boys.
brought this thing in here to put the little pieces in so that we can.
Oh, let's go, boys. 4 piece quad.
So that we can do look at the picture to see what it looks like. So let's just do
Yeah. Like sitting right in there.
There we
See the
go,
picture.
and
Put the picture there.
This is the picture, guys. If you didn't.
If you didn't see part 1, I'll link it down in the description.
Yeah.
I don't want to give too much away about
So
things.
what it looks like in the future when we finish it, because it's got
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces,
And that's a lot.
and I can't do that much with my arm. My arms are not that good at doing jigsaws, but I can still manage. I still like doing jigsaws. It's one of my second favourite things.
I don't know.
Board games, like jigsaws, because one of my second favourite.
Please. Oh, for those let's go away.
There's one here. Trying to look at this end because I had loads.
You had loads, did you?
Yeah, yeah. That goes somewhere.
No,
I think that goes.
No, go John and. Oh,
I think I know where it goes. right there. That person.
Oh yeah, it's that dog there, isn't it?
Linking that dog. So we're just like, because what we've got so far is that, which is what I like, because pink.
Yep.
And it's got, and the dog's got that funny hat on, so.
Right, I got a quad 3D if you can count properly. I can't.
And I did some of it because I found the pieces.
Yeah, quad 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Together. Hopefully we'll get more of the pieces.
And guys, we're gonna have to like extend this a bit.
Yeah, because it won't be that big when we get it out.
Yeah, because Chloe's doing that. Yeah, Chloe's doing that side. So now
Quite
jigsaw.
big.
I'll just show you now. Oh my god, I need to stand up. Guys, that is how actually recording that.
That's how big it is, guys.
And that's only like showing a bit of pieces.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna put them all in their spot.
Oh my god, that did not work out.
So let's get started. And let's go to that. So I'm actually doing the hat bit here, aren't I?
Yeah, Chloe's doing the hat. I'm doing like.
You're doing like this part and him. And I found this piece, so this one might do that piece.
And I think I found either that dog.
Which ear?
That ear.
Which ear? This ear?
No. No, the one there.
This ear?
Yeah.
It goes further down then.
I know.
Because this one, I don't know. Yeah, that one's that one at the top. There. Yeah. And we might like sometimes do, well, Ben might sometimes do like
By myself, vlogs.
vlogs, no, we might do like